Oh, it's tough. All right, guys, we are here today with the Shark wheels. Okay, so this says Shark Wheel Twisted Formula Performance Street Skateboard Wheels. 54 millimeter, 99A durometer. Says less friction, increased rebound, rough terrain advantage, less rock stop, 99A, 54 millimeter. So I'm gonna test these out compared to the Dragon Formula wheels, which I consider to be the best wheels in skateboarding right now. I'm gonna put Chloe, the sneezes. In case you guys were wondering where Chloe is, she's right there. So I'm gonna put these on this board and we're gonna test them. We're gonna test them in every capacity. So first things first, I'm just gonna open them up. Look at that. First of all, just take a gander at that. You see that? So there's less surface area hitting the ground at all times, that's for sure. They're definitely wild and weird looking. Not only that, but we're gonna put them on the suspension trucks, which are triple wild and weird looking, and make the ultimate skateboard. Okay? Slide right in there. I'm gonna get crazy here, Clay. I'm gonna put graphics out.
Ooh.
Twisted Formula.
The white and black actually looks really cool.
It does look cool, doesn't it? See that? Okay, so I'm gonna test these of how do they ride, how smooth are they, how do they go over rocks. I think that's one of their really good advantages, is that they do go over rocks. It's kind of funny because there's this thing in skateboarding where it's like, what's the most scary thing? A pebble. You know, it's kind of a joke, but it's not a joke because it's serious. But if these were to be able to get rid of your fear of pebbles, that could go a long ways toward progressing your skateboard career. Okay, scope it. So weird. So these ones look like normal wheels, but when you have the other ones on, like these ones, they look almost like square wheels. Firefly illuminated wheel. Oh wow, this does not light up. This lights up. No way. Okay, yes. This is very for surely gonna be the ultimate setup. Okay, so we're going these wheels versus these wheels. On the Dragon Formula, just a flat surface area. All of your wheel is touching the ground. On the Shark wheels, you have this sort of rotating, I don't even know what I wanna call it, like a rotating little canal within the wheel. So it means that like you're not always touching ground. But I'm interested to see how, first, let's just see how they ride. Just simply how they roll. Get a good close-up of both of those so we can show the differences. Spinning. As they say in show business, let's roll that beautiful bean footage. It's incredibly smooth. Not gonna lie, it's incredibly smooth.
Really?
Smooth ride.
With the Avenue trucks too.
It also has the Avenue trucks on, which is an unfair advantage. Ah, the Dragon wheels are also so smooth though. Ah, it's tough. It's tough. The Dragon wheels are still my ultimate favorite, just based on that ride. I should rate them on a 1 to 10. So I think that's what I want to text next is the slide ability. Test next. Oh, I don't know. I'd say these are like a 9 and those are like a 10. I don't know why the Dragon wheels just are so ridiculously smooth. Okay, power slide, let's go. Okay, so these wheels are hard. You can hear the differences. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it did not slide as far as I thought it was going to. But you hear that screech noise? Now listen to the screech noise on the Dragons. Still a screech, but less of a screech. It's less like harsh, I guess. I can't tell. It's kind of similar, right? Okay, let me really push into these wheels like similar. Man, okay, so these wheels are harder. Because they're harder, they definitely give them more of a harsh sound on the screech. And I think that they more easily slide a little, just ever so slightly a little better. But it's really hard for me to tell. I feel like the traction and control is better on these and less good on these. But yeah, it's interesting. It's almost like a weird feeling, hard to describe. I guess it just feels more hard. I'm gonna hit the rough ground. The Avenue trucks were carrying me through that. I need some actual, like, there's like not a rock within 3 blocks of this place. We need some actual rocks. I need a rock that's gonna stop my wheels. So let's try this again. Okay, so you saw how that looked. You saw how it felt. Let's go this way. I don't know, are these tests too similar? I can't really tell the difference. I'm rating them all about the exact same, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So I guess on the shark wheels, I'll give this an 8 out of 10. And on the dragon wheels, I'm gonna go the same, 8 out of 10. Like, it's weird. No, I guess I also have to think with, I'm like pitting them up against my absolute favorite wheels in the entire skateboard world, which are the dragon wheels.
And the ones you're used to.
And the ones I'm used to. I think that's what I'm having a hard time grappling with. Like, oh, I'm so used to this. Kickflip off. I don't know why my kickflips got so bad recently, but they've just been like straight rockets. So let me do a kickflip for you. Better one. Okay, that was better. Now let's try the shark bites. First try? I don't know, what do you guys think? So here's my question, I want you to leave it in the comments below. Do you think the gear really influences that much how well you can skateboard? Do you think the wheels changes it a lot? A little bit, somewhat, trucks, board, etc.? Obviously the board is a big deal because all the different shapes, etc. But I don't know. Do you think these can improve the performance of your skateboarding? Leave it in the comments below. I'm really interested to see what you guys think. Okay, for the last and final test, I'm not gonna do these with the dragon wheels because we've already done it. If you wanna see the video on the dragon wheels, you can check it out, where we flat spotted one of these, like basically all the way to the bearing. This is the most durable wheel I've ever skated. It took us a really, really long time of dragging it behind a car. Unfortunately, I don't have someone here that can drag me behind the car, but I'm gonna see if I can flat spot these just on my own. So normally, Chloe, what we do is we sit behind a car and hold on and drag it sideways until it completely wrecks the wheels and they're flat. So a flat spot is where you do a power slide and it creates a flat spot. Then when you're riding, it sounds like this, because the flat spot is humming.
Oh.
So probably I need to get in the street, which I'll do now.
In the street.
I could just wait till the light goes, hold on to somebody's car, flat spot it. Good idea, bad idea? See, this asphalt, this rough ground, is much better to create a flat spot. Here, I don't know, might never flat spot. Why am I the most exhausted I've ever been? Oh, the good old days when it was easy, you just held on to a car. Okay, you see? Right there. The beginnings of the most tiniest flat spot in the world. It's not flat spotted yet though. Okay, you can see that right there? How it's sort of like, it's like peeling off. Still, no flat spot. Not a singular flat spot anywhere. Still just such a smooth ride. Smooth ride. All in all, I'll give these wheels a good rating. They skate well, they avoid rocks, they're smooth, they slide well. You can power slide them. I would need to do more of a flat spot test with a proper automobile pole to tell the real durability. But yeah, I think those are pretty good. So you guys want to get yourself a fresh set of skateboard wheels, check out the Shark wheels. Available now at BrailleSkateboarding.com.